Gear drive rotors are used to irrigate large lawn areas. They rotate slowly across the lawn, applying water with a strong stream of water. Sometimes rotors get out of adjustment, spraying water onto the driveway or street. I'm going to show you how to adjust these rotors so you're not going to waste water by applying water to the hardscape. Depending on the brand of rotor, it will either have a fixed right stop edge or a left stop edge. The right side or the left side will be the fixed edge of your spray pattern. From there, you'll either adjust the left or the right side of the rotor. Hunter rotors have a fixed right stop, while Rainbird and Toro have a fixed left stop. For Hunter rotors, if the fixed edge is out of line, turn the entire body of the rotor. You can either take both hands and turn the body of the rotor, or you can use some pliers. Now the right stop lines up in a straight edge with the property line. To adjust the left side of the spray pattern, you'll use a Hunter rotor tool. Look for the plus and minus signs on the top of the rubber cap. Turn clockwise to increase the arc, counterclockwise to decrease the arc. Before turning on the water, rotate the top back and forth to make sure you have the right head adjustment. For fixed left stop rotors like Rainbird and Toro, if the left edge is out of adjustment, simply make a complete rotation to the left. Then grab the turret and ratchet the left stop to the left, changing the left stop on the rotor. It won't strip the gears. To adjust the spray pattern with either right or left fixed stop rotors, simply use the brand's rotor tool and place it in the hole with a plus or minus sign. Turn clockwise to increase the arc, turn counterclockwise to decrease the arc. The Toro T5P Rapid Set rotor is a unique rotor because it requires no adjustment tools. All you need are your hands. The rotor does have a fixed left stop, but you can change the left stop simply by ratcheting to the left, and then set the right stop by rotating your hands until you select the right arc adjustment. Rotate the top of the head to check the pattern, and you're all set to go. With all gear drive rotors, if you need to decrease the distance of throw, simply place the rotor tool in the set screw hole directly above the nozzle. Screw clockwise to decrease the flow. Sometimes rotors quit turning. When this happens, you are likely to see brown areas in your lawn. Since you cannot repair a rotor that is not turning, head down to your irrigation supply store and buy a new rotor. I want to talk to you about one last thing, a mixture of gear drive rotors and pop-up sprays. This can happen for a couple of reasons, either from a bad installation or from a do-it-yourself add-on to compensate for areas that are not getting enough water. Here's why this is a problem. Gear drive rotors apply about 0.4 of an inch per hour, while standard pop-up spray nozzles can apply anywhere from 1.5 to more than 2 inches per hour. Put another way, pop-up sprays apply 3 to 5 times more water than rotors. If the reason for the pop-up sprays is a coverage issue, there is a solution. You can swap out the standard spray nozzles with a rotating spray nozzle that screws right on top of the pop-up spray head. A rotating spray nozzle applies about the same amount of water as a gear drive rotor. However, before switching out standard spray nozzles for rotating nozzles, I recommend getting the advice of either a local irrigation supply house or an irrigation contractor. We want to thank you for watching our video series and hope they have been helpful. Be sure and check out our water conservation website, squeezeeverydrop.com. The site contains a lot of great information for conserving water in all parts of your home. For the City of Oklahoma City, I'm Robert Reaves. Let's squeeze every drop.